Thank you. Thanks.
Oh, he is cute.
Oops.
I know. Thank you. And as soon as we get the chance to send pictures, we will send them to you because I know you're dying to see them.
Hey, buddy.
I'm hoping I can go tomorrow. I don't know. They're
Carter Horton, just born.
Full moon. It's insane here. So.
7 pounds, 12 ounces.
20 inches long.
20 inches?
That's a keeper.
But he's gonna have his work computer with him, so you don't miss that much. So no, I'm feeling like a little bit adrenaline, I guess. As soon as he popped out, it was just like, okay. Yeah.
35 head.
1 big cone head.
So we were so excited about the contractions. It was like the one morning. And then today we got here about 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm just...
There's Mommy.
Yeah. I'm talking to Grandma. We're on a video right now.
There's Lisa.
Yeah.
Smile, wave.
Well, we did it.
Yay.
Maybe tomorrow if you want, when I get out of here, and we'll talk a little bit more.
Hey, buddy.
Thanks. Love you too. Yeah. Okay, and thanks for the card. I loved it. I opened it this morning with breakfast. It was sweet. Yeah.